Ever thought of retiring early and living life your way? Visualize a life where you're not stuck with the usual timeline of work and you're in charge of your own money matters. Let's introduce you to the idea of financial independence. It's a key part of the FIRE movement, financial independence, retire early. This lifestyle about why freedom is more important than owning stuff. What I hinted at how you can achieve this financial independence in 6 simple steps. Stay tuned to learn more. The first step towards financial independence is understanding your expenses. It's all about knowing where your money is going every month. You can't control what you don't measure, right? So, start tracking your spending habits. This way, you'll identify areas where you can trim down expenses. Think about subscriptions you don't use or that daily coffee you could brew at home. Budgeting isn't about restriction, but about making your money work for you. Remember, every dollar you save is a step closer to your financial freedom. Step 2, boost your income. It's an essential part of the journey to financial independence. Yes, it may sound intimidating, but it's doable. In fact, there are several ways to go about it. You could start with side hustles. These are jobs or tasks you do outside your regular 9-to-5. They could be as simple as freelance writing, selling handmade crafts, or even dog walking. The key is to find something that aligns with your passions and skills. Next, consider investments. These could be in stocks, bonds, real estate, or even small businesses. Remember, the goal here is to create a source of income that doesn't require your constant attention. Lastly, think about upgrading your skills. This could mean going back to school, getting a certification, or simply learning a new skill online. The better your skill set, the higher the chances of landing a better paying job. A higher income can fast-track your journey to financial independence. Moving on to step 3, eliminate debt. The shackles of debt can be a significant deterrent to financial freedom. It's like a leak in your wallet, constantly draining your hard-earned money. But don't panic, there are ways to tackle this. Start by prioritizing your debts, focusing on high-interest ones first, and then move down the line. Consider refinancing or consolidation options, and always pay more than the minimum due. Remember, every dollar paid off is a dollar earned. Living a debt-free life is a significant milestone towards achieving financial independence. Step 4, make your money work for you. Now, you may have heard this phrase before, but what does it actually mean? It's all about investing, my friends. Investing is the act of putting your money into assets or ventures with the expectation of generating a profit or income over time. This is a fundamental step to growing your wealth. Now let's talk about a magical concept known as compound interest. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing larger and faster. Your initial investment is the snowball, and the snow it picks up represents the interest. As time goes on, the interest you earn starts earning its own interest, and so on. Whether you choose to invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, or start your own business, the key is to start early, be patient, and let the power of compounding do its work. Remember, it's not about timing the market, but time in the market. Investing wisely can be the key to unlock your financial freedom. Step 5, prepare for the unexpected. You see, life is full of surprises and not all of them are pleasant. That's where an emergency fund comes in. It's a stash of money set aside to cover the financial surprises life throws your way. Think of it as your financial airbag deployed in cases of sudden impacts. It provides you with financial security, reduces stress, and allows you to navigate through life's turbulent storms with a bit more ease. An emergency fund is your safety net on your journey to financial freedom. Finally, step 6, stay consistent. The path to financial independence is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's about making small, steady strides towards your goal, day in, day out. The key to this step is consistency. Consistency in saving, investing, and budgeting is like the steady drip that eventually fills a bucket. It may not seem like much at first, but over time, these small actions compound into significant results. It's the power of habits and discipline that make the impossible possible. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, neither will your financial independence. It takes time, patience, and above all, consistency. It's about sticking to your plan even when the going gets tough. It's about having the discipline to say no to instant gratification and yes to long-term prosperity. Consistency is not just about persistence, it's about evolution. It's about tweaking and refining your strategy as you grow and learn. It's about staying the course no matter the weather. consistency is the secret sauce that brings all these steps together and leads you to your financial independence. So there you have it, 6 steps to achieve financial independence. From understanding your expenses, increasing your income, paying off debts, investing wisely, creating an emergency fund, to staying consistent. Every step is a stepping stone towards financial freedom. The journey may seem daunting, but remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Start today and step into a future where you're the master of your finances. Remember, financial independence is not a dream, it's a journey.